I thought we could talk about these simple truths, these simple lessons that would allow you to double down on your intention, your passion, and your purpose, the innovative spirit that you have, and partnership building. The first one is the I. Eyes of a child, eyes of wonder, eyes of possibility. That's curiosity. I have one look-up day per week where I look up and try to discover something and not look down at a screen or a computer. Trying to discover something on the big screen called life. I think it's really important that we're always doing that. I'll say this again, I have no special talent, I'm only passionately curious. Have one look-up day. Try to discover something that you hadn't seen before. Use maybe one of your senses only and discover it with your sight or ears or smell, something, but tap into that and have a regular discipline around that, because that's going to unlock the light bulb moments where you have more ideas, where you're more innovative, you have more creative confidence. See, the more that you tap into your curiosity, you have more creative confidence. Creative confidence is the unlock to innovation. Because when a problem is presented to you, you're not, oh man, I don't know, we don't think we can do anything. Instead, it's like, okay, bet, let's figure this out. Creative confidence allows you to lean in, not to fall back. The more that you have those ideas, I think the more that you start to think about what are ways to tap into something that you're passionate about. So for me, it's a ball and play. And I started to realize that as I traveled, what if I brought a brand new soccer ball, basketball, playground ball, whatever, with me? Because we take it for granted that people can afford a new ball. And so I started to understand that, no, they can't. So I would give them to my friends, I would bring them around, and so I have a ball collection from all over the world, but this is my simple truth. A ball can change the world, but I discovered something, we all speak ball. It doesn't matter where you go in the world, everybody recognizes that icon, that round figure. And so these are some examples of the ball collection I have from around the world. There's this banana fiber ball from Uganda made out of fibers from a tree. This ball is brilliant because you always know when the game is done because the ball disintegrates and disappears. You want to waterproof that, you actually put it in a plastic bag and tie it up. Wicker ball from Indonesia. A ball made of socks from Brazil. A trash bag ball, this is a water balloon ball from Mexico. The center of it is filled with a little bit of water so it bounces. This is a trash bag ball from Africa. The kids had no string, so they peeled tire rubber down really thin and made string out of tire rubber to bound the balls together. You want to talk about innovation? You want to talk about creativity? You want to talk about problem solving? We're trying to play. We don't have a ball. Let's use our ingenuity and figure out a way. We can always figure out a way, but we have to partner together. It takes our collective energy, our collective passion, purpose, and intention. It also takes energy. That's the child chasing the ball. How do you take good care of you? How do you replenish your energy every single day? Because a lot of times people just want from you. You're not getting poured into, except when you come to these kinds of gatherings. I hope you wrung this place out till there was nothing left of it. I hope that you poured into yourself and found all kinds of nugget of insight and wisdom, but even more so, the connection.